Welcome to GraverWorks. Today I will be printing a precision thumbwheel file from iDig 3D that was posted to MakerBot Thingiverse. I encourage you to visit the site and iDig 3D's page of model. I've added the Thingiverse view of the model along with runtimes and settings I used in Cura. This is just my experience printing iDig 3D's precision thumbwheel without supports file on a mostly stock Creality CR-10. Watch till the end for the lesson learned. If I printed one wheel at a time, it took about 1 hour and 23 minutes plus the unload and setup. Here's a view of the Cura print bed for a single thumbwheel. The runtime for 4 thumbwheels would be 5 hours 32 minutes plus setup and unload time. I added 3 copies of the model to the original model and cut out 3 load times and setup times. And the time to run was about 5 hours and 37 minutes. The setup load time was not much, but allowed me to print all at once and unintended. By printing 4 at a time, I also increased the risk for failure and lost materials. This is my second time printing the thumbwheels, and if you look closely you can see them under the bed during the print. This print is for a second printer that I have. Here's the print. Here's a view of the finished print of the model still attached to the printer bed. If you look closely, you'll see an error on the print. Not really an error, but I mirrored the original part. This actually caused one of the thumb wheels to print the spokes in reverse direction, and it printed the numbers backwards. Lesson learned. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.